Okay, so good morning class. This is a recording of our lesson which is types of brakes. Okay, so alam naman natin 'di ba yung brakes. A braking system is an automotive system that is used to slow down or to stop our vehicle. Okay, and na-discuss na natin yung components. And now naman, for us to fully understand kung ano talaga yung components for a specific braking system, so we are making this video. Okay, so identify lang natin yung three most common na types ng braking system. Okay, so madelayin lang natin yung video. Okay, una is mechanical brakes. Okay, from the term itself or from the name itself, it is a braking system that rely on direct physical connections to transmit force. Okay, so kailangan niya ng physical connections. Kailangan niya ng, like for example here, 'di ba? Kailangan niya ng mechanical linkages. Pag hydraulic naman, pag nakarinig kayo ng term na hydraulic, it uses the pressure of fluid. Pag nakarinig kayo ng hydraulic, ibig sabihin yan, there is a fluid or a liquid involved. Dito naman sa braking system, ginagamit ang fluid to multiply and transmit the force. Okay, so basic lang muna. Then next is air brakes. Sa air brakes, minsan tinatawag to na ito, pneumatic brakes. Pag nakarinig kayo naman ng pneumatic, it pertains naman to air. Pag hydraulic, fluid or liquid. Pag pneumatic, air. Pag mechanical naman, meron kayong mechanical linkages. Okay, so dito muna sa table. Una, we have here the first column. This is for mechanical brakes. Next is for hydraulic brakes and for pneumatic brakes. Again, mechanical brakes are connected physically or through mechanical linkages. Hydraulic brakes uses hydraulic pressure while pneumatic brakes uses air pressure. Okay, in force transmission, in terms of force transmission, si mechanical brakes, it transmits the power of the braking system through mechanical linkages. Gumagamit siya ng rods, levers, cables, and springs. So, tingnan natin mamaya yung picture. And next is, pag hydraulic brake naman, it uses fluid pressure. So, gaya ng na-discuss natin, it uses fluid pressure. Sa pneumatic brakes naman, hindi lang basta air. Nakalagay dito, di ba? Compressed air. Meron siyang compressor. Okay, on the medium naman, anong ginagamit niya to operate solid components sa mechanical brakes? Brake fluid naman kay hydraulic brakes, which is labeled as incompressible. And next, for pneumatic, ang gamit niya is compressed air. And in terms of operation, ito, si mechanical brakes, meron siyang direct mechanical force applied to the brake components. Okay, so kasi nga 'di ba, meron kang linkages. And sa hydraulic brake naman, the force on the pedal creates hydraulic pressure that actuates the brake. So, hydraulic pressure, mas maintindihan nyo ito mamaya pag may illustration na. Sa pneumatic naman, air pressure controlled. Meron tayong valves that actuates the brakes. Okay, sa components, mechanical, meron tayong brake pedal, linkages, brake shoe, pwede ring brake pad, pwede ring drums or discs. Sa hydraulic naman, meron tayong brake pedal, master cylinder, brake fluid, lines, calipers, wheel cylinders, brake shoe or brake pads, and drums or discs. Okay, the next is sa air compressor. Meron siyang air compressor, reservoir, yung tangke. Meron tayong valves, air lines, brake chambers, brake shoes, pads, drums, and discs. Sa efficiency naman, less efficiency, mechanical brakes. It is prone to wear and adjustment issues. Okay, kasi nga 'di ba, natatagis kasi nga meron physical contact. Kaya need nating i-maintain. Kailangan ng some adjustments from time to time. Si hydraulic brakes, it is the most efficient. This provides more even braking force. So balance eh. Halimbawa sa four wheels, pag meron tayong hydraulic brakes, mas balance yung distribution ng force. And when we are talking about pneumatic brakes naman, this is the very powerful type of brake. This is suitable for heavy loads and multiple trailers. Kaya napapansin nyo, di ba? Ginagamit lang sa air brakes sa mga malalaking sasakyan. For example, di ba, yung mga dump trucks, mga buses, ano pa, yung mga nakikita ninyong heavy machinery. Usually, gumagamit sila ng air braking system. Sa efficiency naman, okay, reliability. Reliability ng mechanical brakes, there is a high chance of failure due to linkages, issues, and wear. Okay, so magkakaroon lang yan pag hindi mo na-maintain. Then, si hydraulic brake naman, due to enclosed system, this is more reliable, pero delikado siya sa leaks. A simple leak. Wait lang, na-disconnect yung mouse. Okay, so we're back. Sa reliability, yung pinaka-threat kay hydraulic brake is leak. Pag nag-leak yung fluid, di na mag-function ng braking system natin. Okay, then next is pneumatic. Generally reliable, fail-safe features like brakes apply if pressure is lost. Okay, so meron siya nun. Pag nawala ng pressure, automatic magpepreno yung sasakyan nyo. Di na kayo makakaabante. Kailangan ayusin muna. Okay, so maganda yan. Sa mga new models yan na gumagamit ng air braking system. Okay, and complexity naman, sa design, simpler design si mechanical. More complex si hydraulic. But the most complex is si pneumatic. Sa cost naman, mas mura si mechanical. Moderate lang si hydraulic, and most expensive si pneumatic brakes. Sa maintenance or sa application naman, older vehicles ang gumagamit ng mechanical brakes. But today, ginagamit pa natin siya in parking brakes, some industrial equipments, and sa mga motor natin, di ba? Meron pa tayong nakikitang naka-mechanical brakes. Sa hydraulic brakes naman, most modern cars, yes, this is used sa modern cars natin, light trucks, and also in our motorcycles. Pag pneumatic brake, ginagamit natin siya sa large commercial vehicles. Example, trucks, buses, and trailers, pati na trains. Kasali. Sa maintenance naman, kailangan lang natin sa mechanical brake ng regular adjustment. Pag hydraulic, this requires monitoring and replacement of brake fluid. So, brake fluid lang talaga yung check nyo. Di naman, and brake pad. Di naman usually na bubutas yung mga brake lines nyo. Unless may nangyari. Sa pneumatic, there's a slight delay due to air compression and travel time. Okay. Dito pala. This requires monitoring of air pressure. Okay. Kung sa kabila, fluid level lang, dito, kailangan yung air pressure. Check mo din for leaks and draining moisture. Okay, response time. There's lag pag mechanical. Faster response, si hydraulic brakes, and si pneumatic naman, there is a slight delay. Kasi nga, iko-compress niya yung air or isusupply pa niya yung air. But, siya yung most powerful pag fully engaged. Then, sa self-lubrication naman, no inherent self-lubrication si mechanical brakes. Kaya nga 'di ba, linalagyan natin yung mga yan minsan ng langis para hindi kalawangin. Sa hydraulic brakes naman, gumagamit siya na yung brake fluid natin, meron na siyang lubrication. Then air compression or air brakes naman, it doesn't provide any lubrication.